If you're a homeowner in Simcoe County, you've likely heard about duct cleaning services and wondered if they're truly necessary. Well, first, what is duct cleaning? Duct cleaning involves removing dust, debris, mold, and other contaminants from your HVAC system's air ducts, vents, and components. Professionals use specialized equipment like high-powered vacuums and brushes to thoroughly clean your ductwork. Here are some signs you might need duct cleaning. Excessive dust accumulation in your home, recent renovations or construction work, musty odors or visible mold growth, increased allergy symptoms, or inconsistent airflow and higher energy bills. The benefits of duct cleaning are improved air quality, enhanced HVAC efficiency, extended lifespan of your HVAC system, elimination of unpleasant odors. How often should you clean your ducts? For most homes in Simcoe County, it's recommended to have your ducts cleaned every 3 to 5 years. However, if you have pets, allergies, or have recently undergone home renovations, more frequent cleaning might be beneficial. What's the cost of duct cleaning? The cost varies based on your home size and the extent of the cleaning required. On average, homeowners can expect to pay between $300 and $600 for a comprehensive duct cleaning service. So while not every home requires frequent duct cleaning, many Simcoe County residents find it beneficial for improving air quality, energy efficiency, and overall HVAC performance. If you've experienced any of the signs mentioned above, it might be time to consider a professional duct cleaning service. Thanks for watching and have a great day.